Okay, good afternoon to everyone. So,
Sir.
we will continue the morning class. I already gave you class in the morning, but there was interruption due to power break. Anyway, we continue the answer to the problem given. The sports material manufacturing company budgeted the following data for the coming year. Sales 1 lakh units, rupees 1 lakh sales. Variable cost rupees 40,000. Fixed cost rupees 50,000. Calculate 1. A. PV ratio, B. BEP, C. Margin of safety. And question number 2 is PV ratio, BEP and margin of safety when 20% increase in selling price. So this is new point to you. Second one is new point. Let us start by preparing a marginal cost statement so that you can easily answer this question. I will show you how to prepare marginal cost statement now. So marginal cost statement. We will prepare marginal cost statement for old and revised, new, both. So this is particulars column. This is already given data, old data or present data, and this is new data. So again in this one, per unit to total. The same way in case of new one also, per unit to total. So this is per unit rupees, this is per unit information. How many units? 1 lakh units. Here also per unit rupees and per 1 lakh units. So according to the data given here, we can prepare marginal cost statement like this. First you write sales. Per unit, what is the selling price? There are sales total for rupees 1 lakh. Total number of units given is 1 lakh. So that is 1 rupee per unit. 1.00 1 rupee. Per 1 lakh units, that is 1 lakh rupees. Right. Minus variable cost V. Variable cost already given here. That is 40,000 total. Per unit is 0.40. How can you get it? 40,000 divided by 1 lakh units. You will get 0.40 rupees. Now we subtract it. If you subtract it, you will get 0.60 rupees is per unit. And total amount is 60,000. This is called contribution C. This is contribution. Per unit is 0.60 and total contribution is 60,000. Right. Then we subtract fixed cost F. What is F given in the problem? 50,000. So as total we take here, not per unit. So now we will see the remaining balance is profit. This is P. So this is marginal cost statement for the present data or old data. For new, what is the new? There is increase in 20% in selling price. So according to increase in the selling price, we can prepare new statement. So according to the increased rate, 20% increase means on 1 rupee there is increase 20% means that is 1.20, 1 rupee 20 paise per unit, and the total is 1,20,000 rupees for all units. Then variable cost, there will be no change in variable cost, 0.40 per unit, and total is 40,000, because for each unit 40 paise, for total units we will get 40,000. Now we subtract it. If you subtract it, 0.80 is the contribution and rupees 80,000 is total contribution. Now we can find the difference, right? Now we subtract fixed cost. Fixed cost won't change in the new quantity also, new price also, sorry, in the new price also there is no change in fixed cost. Now we subtract 80,000 minus 50,000, you will get 30,000 profit. So this is new after revising the price, after increasing the price. So as per this statement, now we can calculate a PV ratio for the first question. First question 1A, PV ratio. What is the formula to calculate PV ratio? PV ratio is equal to C by S into 100. What is C? You can take C as 60,000 total. 60,000 divided by sales is 1 lakh into 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 3 zeros and 3 zeros. So you will get 60%. This is PV ratio for 1A. Then we go to 1B. 1B is BEP. BEP. What is formula to calculate BEP? BEP in the sense means here BEP sales. BEP is equal to fixed cost by PV ratio. So this is the formula for BEP. Now what is fixed cost given in the problem? 50,000 divided by 60%. 60 into 100. How much you will get? Let us check. 50,000 divided by 60 into 100. You will get 83,333. You will get 83,333 rupees. This is BEP. 1B is answer. Then C. C is margin of safety. For margin of safety, what is the formula? P by PV ratio. P by PV ratio. What is P? 10,000. 10,000 divided by PV ratio is 60%. 60 into 100. Let us check. 10,000 divided by 60 into 100. You will get 16,667. 16,667. This is answer for C. This is margin of safety. So first question is over. Then we go to the second part. Second part is PV ratio, BEP and margin of safety when 20% increase in selling price. We have already prepared statement according to the increased price. So using this information we can calculate the same things again. Again we calculate PV ratio. We take this time the new information. Question number 2, PV ratio. To calculate PV ratio, what is the formula? C by S into 100. What is C? In case of new statement, 80,000. We take 80,000 here. divided by what is S? 1,20,000 into 100. Let us find 80,000 divided by 1,20,000 into 100. How much you will get? 66.67%. Now there is a change in PV ratio. Previously it was 60%. Now it is 66.67. There is change in PV ratio because of change in price, selling price. Okay, then we go to another point, BEP. BEP point. Right. BEP. What is formula to calculate BEP sales? F by PV ratio. There is no change in F. F is 50,000. PV ratio is 66.67 into 100. How much you will get? Let us check. 50,000 divided by 66.67 into 100. We will get 75,000. I am making rounding this nearest figure. 74,996 will come. Okay, anyway you can take as 74,996 or 75,000. Okay, 74,996 you got. We can take it as 75,000 because there are fractions. That is the reason. If you don't know how to show this, you can show as it is what you got in the calculator, no problem. 75,000 or 74,996 rupees. So this is BEP sales. Then margin of safety. Margin of safety, how can we calculate margin of safety? P by PV ratio. P by PV ratio. What is P? Present P. No, that is revised. Okay, 30,000. Not 10,000. This is old one. This is new one. 30,000 divided by PV ratio is 66.67 into 100. Now we simplify this one. 30,000 divided by 66.67 into 100. We will get 45,000 rupees. 45,000. As per the calculator, you will get 44,997. Okay. Now we can round up it to rupees 45,000. If you don't know how to show this 45, you can show the answer whatever you get in the calculator. It's not a problem. So this is answer for margin of safety in question number 2. So this is solution to you. So this is the solution to the question. This is over. Do you have any doubt over this problem? If you prepare marginal cost statement, it will be so easy to make this answers. Without statement also you can prepare, but you have to find the formula for each and every one. Without statement also you can prepare, but little bit confused if you don't remember all the formula. But here, after preparing this statement, I think it is very easier to you. By seeing or by looking at the figures, we can take the information directly to the direct formula. ఫార్ములాకు నేరుగా అట్లనే తీసేసుకోవచ్చు. అది అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏది మార్జినల్ కాస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ వేయడం వల్ల. బట్ ఫర్ ది ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ యువర్ వర్కింగ్ నోట్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కన్సిడర్డ్ ఫర్ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్. సో యూ విల్ గెట్ మార్క్స్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆస్క్డ్ హియర్. దీనికి ఎన్ని మార్కులు, దానికి ఎన్ని మార్కులు డిసైడ్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది. వర్కింగ్ నోట్స్ ఉండవు. వర్కింగ్ నోట్స్ మన కోసం చేసుకున్నాం అది. ఓకే, ఇంకేదైనా డౌట్ ఉందా ఇందులో? ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ can raise. If you don't have any doubt, I will go to another problem. Another important problem. Now I am going to give you. Let us see. I will rub this part. From the following data, calculate another problem. From the following data, calculate A. PV ratio, B. BEP, C. Margin of safety, D. When selling price is reduced to rupees 90, this time decrease is given. When selling price is reduced to rupees 90, then find out margin of safety. Find out margin of safety. The data given under that is total sales 3,60,000. This is only rupees. Unit cost rupees 50. Unit selling price selling price is rupees 100. Fixed cost rupees 1 lakh. So this is the information given us. What are the questions asked? From the following data, calculate A. PV ratio, B. BEP, C. Margin of safety. And D point is when selling price is reduced to rupees 90, then find out margin of safety. Only margin of safety we have to calculate in D point after reducing the price. Right. Data supplied to us here is total sales given 3,60,000. Unit cost, this is variable cost, keep remember. Fixed cost total is given here. Unit cost in this sense means it is variable cost per unit. Right. Unit selling price is rupees 100. With the help of this selling price, we can find out the number of units. If you divide the total sales rupees 3,60,000 by 100, you will get number of units. That will come 3,600 units. 3,600 units you will get. So that information is important. Here also you can prepare if you want the marginal cost statement. If you prepare the marginal cost statement, it will be easy to answer the question. Without statement also we can do. You may get little bit confusion in the beginning, but after getting some experience, it will be time saving to you. So for the time being, you can take statement. You can take the help of statement. Let us first prepare marginal cost statement. Marginal cost statement. So this is particulars column, as I explained in the previous one also. This is old data or given data, and this is new. As per the reduced price, selling price reduced to 10, that comes as 90. Okay. Per unit, this is per unit. This is total. Total how many units? 3600 units you will get. Okay. 3600 units you will get. This is also per unit and total 3600 units. Here also same, but rate is only difference. The price is only difference. Let us start. Sales. What is selling price per unit? 100 rupees given in the problem. Look at this. 100. Total sales also given as 3,60,000. We take this amount. 3,60,000. Here always we write only rupees. ఎప్పుడు కూడా rupees ఏ రాస్తాం, ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Right, minus V. V is variable cost. What is V? Unit cost, that is rupees 50 per unit. 50 per unit means into 3600 units. How much you will get? 3600 into 50. You will get 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Per unit is 50. Now we subtract this one. You will get 50. This is contribution. And here you will get 1,80,000. So contribution per unit is rupees 50. Total contribution is 1,80,000 minus F. F stands for fixed cost, or less we can write. No problem. What is fixed cost given here in the problem? 1 lakh. Now we subtract. 1,80,000 minus 1 lakh, you will get 80,000. This is P, profit. So this is the information according to the data given in the problem. Now we calculate per new after reducing price to 90. Now selling price per unit is 90 given in the problem. 90. So how many units? 3600 units. Units won't change. 3600 into 90. How much you will get? 3,24,000. 3600 units into 90. Then variable cost won't change. Same 50 and 1,80,000. Now we subtract this. తీసేద్దాం. 50 లెస్ చేస్తే 90 లో నుంచి you will get 40. Here you will get 4 1. Let us check. 1,44,000. This is contribution. Per unit is rupees 40 and the total contribution is 1,44,000 after reducing price to 90. 90 రూపాయలకు తగ్గాక ఈ రేట్లు వచ్చాయి. గమనించండి, ఇక్కడ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్లో చేంజ్ ఈస్ దేర్. Then subtract fixed cost. Fixed cost is 1 lakh. Now we reduce or subtract the fixed cost from total contribution. You will get 44,000. This is contribution. Okay. We have prepared marginal cost statement. With the help of this information, we can answer the questions. What is the first question? PV ratio. We calculate first PV ratio. What is formula to calculate PV ratio? C by S into 100. What is C? Old one only we have to take. 1,80,000 divided by 3,60,000 into 100. So now we can calculate 1,80,000 divided by 3,60,000 into 100. You will get 50%. So that is PV ratio. A is over. Then come to point B, BEP. How do you calculate BEP? For calculating BEP sales, the formula is F by PV ratio. What is F given in the problem? 1 lakh. 1 lakh divided by PV ratio is 50%. 51s, 52s. You will get rupees 2 lakhs. So this is BEP. We got BEP also. Then C point is margin of safety. Margin of safety. How do you get margin of safety? P by PV ratio is the formula. What is P? P is 80,000. P is 80,000. Divided by PV ratio is 50%. 51s, 52s. You will get rupees 1,60,000. Right? Another way is also there to calculate margin of safety. What is the other way? Total sales minus BEP sales. You will get the same answer. Or without using this formula also you can calculate. Actual sales minus BEP sales. You will get the same answer. Actual sales minus BEP sales. Actual sales minus BEP sales. Actual sales is 3,60,000 in the problem given already. BEP sales is rupees 2 lakhs. If you subtract this 2 lakhs from 3,60,000, you will get same answer, 1,60,000. Right? You don't need to calculate two. Both you don't need to calculate. One is enough. I just helped you to know whether we can able to use the two formula or not. So you can cross check it. C point is over. Then we go to D point. What is D? When selling price is reduced to rupees 90, then find out margin of safety. When selling price reduced, margin of safety. Margin of safety. When selling price reduced to rupees 90, margin of safety we have to calculate. What is the formula to calculate margin of safety? P by PV ratio. We have to take new P. New P means profit 44,000. This is new. 44,000 divided by PV ratio. New PV ratio we have to take up. PV ratio we don't know. New PV ratio only we have to take. How can we calculate PV ratio? We can calculate PV ratio by applying C by S into 100. I will rub this side. So already the purpose is over. Purpose of this statement is over. Right. PV ratio will calculate now. You can calculate here. PV ratio. It means a new PV ratio. What is formula? C by S into 100. What is C in case of new one? I think I have rubbed here. One of you can tell me. S is 3,24,000. What is contribution? Can you tell me? Any one of you?
1,44,000.
1,44,000. So that is contribution, right? And sales is 3,24,000 into 100. How much you will get? You simplify this one by using calculator. 1,44,000.
44.44.
44.44. This is a new PV ratio. Am I right? 44.44. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 44.44 into 100. Now we find answer. 44,000 divided by 44.44 into 100. Now how much you got? 99,000 rupees, because there are fractions, that is why the answer will come like this. If you write the answer as it is, whatever you get on the calculator, no problem. So because the time is going running out, that is why it is showing me 99,009. This is answer for D point. Do you have any doubt over this? Only the thing is, you have to find out for the price changing statement. If you prepare, it will be very easy. స్టేట్మెంట్లోనే మీరు అలా రాసుకున్నారంటే చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది. స్టేట్మెంట్ లేకుండా కూడా మనం చేయొచ్చు, బట్ యూ నీడ్ సమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ అయితే అలా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇందులో ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే యూ కెన్ రైజ్. ఎనీ డౌట్ ఓవర్ దిస్? So this is PV ratio for the D point, and this is continuation, because P and PV ratio both will change when there is change in selling price, especially for margin of safety. We have to take both new points only, new profit and new PV ratio. As I explained this morning, when there is a change in selling price, what are the factors affecting? First, contribution will get affected, then profit. These two are the important components which get affected because of the change in selling price. Selling price లో తేడా వస్తే తగ్గినా పెరిగినా మొట్టమొదట అఫెక్ట్ అయ్యేది కాంట్రిబ్యూషను, తర్వాత డైరెక్ట్గా ప్రాఫిట్. ఇవి అఫెక్ట్ అయినాయంటే మనకేం తెలుస్తుంది? పీవీ రేషియో చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది, ఎందుకంటే వాటిని యూజ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం మనం. కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ చేంజ్ అయింది కదా, అందుకని పీవీ రేషియో చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. బీఈపీ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. బీఈపీ ఎందుకు చేంజ్ అవుతుందంటే పీవీ రేషియో చేంజ్ అయింది కాబట్టి. ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్లింక్డ్ హియర్. బీఈపీ చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది, అది అక్కడ మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి. అలానే మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీ కూడా అఫెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది, అక్కడ కూడా పీవీ రేషియో వాడాం. ప్రాఫిట్ కూడా చేంజ్ అయింది. మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీలో అయితే 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ చేంజ్ అయిపోయినాయి, మిగిలిన వాటిలో ఒక్కొక్క ఫ్యాక్టరే మనకు అక్కడ చేంజ్ అయింది. మిగిలిన వాటిలో మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీలో 2 కూడా చేంజ్ అయిపోయాయి. సో పీవీ రేషియోలో కూడా బోత్ చేంజ్. ఇది ప్రైస్, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్లో చేంజ్ చేస్తే ఎలా మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలా అనే దానికి ప్రాబ్లం. Now I will rub this one. Now I give you one problem, you try to solve at home, right? These all are questions from the past papers, already given in the past papers. X Limited made sales during, I give you one problem. X Limited made sales during a certain period. For rupees 1 lakh, and the fixed overheads and fixed overheads was rupees 15,000. Fixed overheads was rupees 15,000. Find out one PV ratio, B break even point sales, 1 or A, 2 or B, whatever it may be, no problem. Break even sales, C or 3 required sales, to earn a profit required sales to earn a profit of rupees 15,000. 4. Net profit from sales rupees